Ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolutely fantastic day today because right here in front of us, we're going to get it out of the box because it's taking up the whole shot here. We have ourselves the Epic water filters. This is a pitcher, water filtration pitcher, and we are going to be putting this to the test. This is going to replace 1,000 plus plastic water bottles. It eliminates 99.9% of contaminants. It has proprietary anti-fluoride technology, which is absolutely fantastic, especially if you are drinking city water. I'm trying to remove all fluoride from my consumption. That's with my toothpaste. Now, I do live in the country, so I am on well water, which is a lot better than city water. But regardless, sometimes you get some minerals in there. But what I'm thinking about is we have a beautiful mountain biking trip coming up soon. We're going to Sedona, Arizona, so I'm going to be bringing this with me. And if I didn't mention it, it is BPA-free because the actual container is plastic, so it is BPA-free. Okay, now coming over to this one here, we're going to take a look at both of them. Now, this is really cool. So this is compatible with your different water bottles and all your different brands. Let me label off a few of those real quick. Hydro Flask, Nalgene, I believe you pronounce it, Thermoflask, Simple Modern, Yeti, Camelback, and Hydrocell. Now, before we do open it up, top link in the description box below will be this exact same link for the pitcher for this compatible water bottle filter for your water bottle. They will both be linked in the top link in the description box below where you can read more about them and pick them up yourself after the video is done. But each one of these filters replaces 550 plus single-use water bottles. So, not only good for the environment, but good for you taking microplastics out of your water by not drinking the water bottles. Okay, now there were a few little caveats. Let me just show you these real quickly. Don't use it with salt water. Don't fill it with hot water. Do not wash filter cartridge with soap, and do not place filter in freezer. These filters are made in the USA, and this actually is a local company up in Boulder, Colorado, not too far away from me. So it's nice to support local businesses as well. All right, so in the back we have fitted straws, and right here is our Every Tap filter. The Every Tap filter removes 70 plus contaminants, pesticides, forever chemicals, metals, chlorine, industrial pollutants, microplastics, and pharmaceuticals. And the Everywhere filter right here, we're going to show you a little bit closer up of a shot here. This filter right here filters out metals, chlorine, industrial pollutants, microplastics, pharmaceuticals, pesticides, PFSA, forever chemicals, cryptosporidium, I believe you pronounce it, bacteria, viruses, and Giardia, if I pronounce that right, as well as removes 70 plus contaminants. All right, we have our easy sip lid right here. And of course we do have our straws we're gonna get to in just a second. And this, you got your little carabiner if you wanna hook that on your backpack. And then that flips up just like that, kind of a silicone type of a water bottle into it there, as well as your safeguard lid right here. So the safeguard lid obviously keeps dust and debris out of it with that top compartment right there, and then that flips up. And then same thing applies there with the lid. So you have your regular lid or your safeguard lid right here that come with the filter. Then you have your fitted straws here. And so there are 7 fitted straws. And then right here, you kind of have a cheat sheet right over here on the back of the box, which is kind of hard to see on camera. But for the Thermoflask or Yeti, 34 ounce right there. That's the perfect straw for that. So you just line up which one you have. Iron Flask, Hydro Flask, Nalgene, I believe you pronounce it. Don't quote me on that one. Camelback down below right here. So you got all your different straws. And for the different filters, you want to use the Everywhere filter for any fresh water. And then the Every Tap filter you would use with your treated tap water. So let me show you how this works here. So you have your cartridge right here, and we have the Every Tap filter in here right now. So this again is your holding cartridge right here, where your straw goes into the top right here, just slips on in like that there, and then your straw slips on into the lid right here. Again, grab the appropriate straw for your water bottle. So obviously if you've grabbed the wrong one, it will be too tall. So again, use that cheat sheet. And if I would have paid attention to the cheat sheet, this is a Simple Modern 32 ounce Ridge water bottle, but Simple Modern makes it. So I grabbed the appropriate straw. I'm gonna go ahead and again, just insert it into the top of my lid, making sure that's in there. And then slipping this in here and buckling up the hatch right there. So we got our flip lid right here. We pull up our straw and we sip through as it's filtering upwards as you're sucking up in the straw. So again, it's going up through the straw in the filtration cartridge before it gets to your mouth. Again, there is your cartridge right there. Goes through the cartridge, up through the straw, into your mouth for beautiful water. So, very simple how to change out cartridges if you are going for fresh water instead. As we saw, we just literally removed that in seconds. And then we pop in our other cartridge. We put our lid back on, lining it up, and then it just kind of clicks into place right there. And then, of course, put this back on and put that back in your water bottle for whatever type of water you are drinking. This is absolutely phenomenal, especially if you have that friend that lives in the city. Now, here in the sticks where I am, I actually live in the country in Colorado. I'm on well water. My brother lives in the city, and his water tastes really good. A lot better compared to California tap water. But tap water has fluoride in it. Fluoride is terrible for you. And so what I would do in this particular case is I would bring my water bottle over with the treated tap water, like this one here, this filter, and I would just literally be drinking 32 ounces at a time with this. So I will, of course, be putting this to the test. Now, let's check out the water pitcher. Okay, we got our water pitcher. We got some material to read over. Let's get this out and setup usage guide. Obviously, read that over. And that, my friends, is a good-looking pitcher right there. A bamboo handle to it, wooden bamboo look to it. Nice little handle, big, clear pitcher. It looks like this on the top. Obviously, you got your fill-up port right there, your pour spout right here. Let's take off this little piece. Again, I'm really big into biohacking right now. That's why I really love products like this. Huberman, Dr. Huberman, I should say, talking about all sorts of things, talking about how fluoride is bad in your water. And so what's really nice about this, again, for my upcoming Sedona mountain biking trip, if you're international traveling, this might be a little bit too big to put in your suitcase. Totally understand. But guess what's not too big to take on your flights? I carry a water bottle of 32-ounce size. Wherever I go, no matter where I fly to, I just put it in my backpack. I walk with it in my hand. If the airport you are in doesn't have the really nice water filtration refillable station, which most do, but if you are going international, you are absolutely going to need filtered water. Now, I would actually go a step further. And do be careful, because I don't know the whole science behind it. If drinking out of the tap water in a foreign country, if this filter is going to be sufficient enough, what I would actually do is whatever water you do put in your water bottle, filter it with a proper filter. Because I actually just got back from a Dallas surf trip at a wave pool, and the Airbnb's water, you drank it, or the refrigerator tap water. Who knows if they've replaced the water filter on their refrigerator. We stayed in one Airbnb in the country up near the mountains. You're thinking it's going to be fresh water. It was on well water, but the water is coming out and it's kind of yellowish, and we're like, nah, I don't know about that. So, filters. Ladies and gentlemen, filter. All right, so you have your filter right here. Unscrews. If you need to wash it, all that fun stuff, wash your contraption, your products. That goes back in. There is a little arrow that's pointing that direction. That goes back in. That flaps shut. We have our little filter meter, push button for filling. Okay, so I am going to wash this before I do use it for the first time, but do not clean the filter with detergent soap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the filter cartridge. I'm going to wash it all, and then we'll fill it up and we'll get started. Now, real quickly, in the brochure that they did give, this is why you read directions, folks. So the top of it does have a 90-day countdown timer. After you first fill it up, hit start, and it'll start counting down. Now, the good news is I'm a single guy, and so filter life, one person, 4 to 5 months. 2 people, 3 to 4 months. Family, 2 to 3 months. So I can go 4 to 5 months with my filter, just being a single person, but God willing, I'll be married soon. I have to meet her first. That's another time for another story. But then we would knock it down to 3 to 4 months. But if you have a family, 2 to 3 months before you should retire the filter and put a new one in. Good to know. Now, this particular filter is called the Answer 2.0. This water bottle filter, as well as the pitcher, both of those will be linked in the top link in the description right below the video. All right, this is a great example of why I'm so keen on this beautiful filter, as well as the water bottle filter as well. Now, in this particular hotel, I'm at a La Quinta hotel in the city, and the water is definitely, it's drinkable, but I have it with me. An absolutely beautiful, crisp, clean water I'm drinking this morning. I got my water bottle all filled up already. I'm not using this one right now with the straw. I actually poured it into this for my morning water and then poured it into this. But if I didn't have this with me to save space, of course I would be sipping out of the filter with the water bottle, but we'll get more into that. But love it due to this factor alone, not to mention the Airbnb where we're going to next. We just did a little pit stop, plenty of water in here, filled it up really nicely, clean, crisp, thumbs up, let's keep going. And also for this Airbnb as well, like I stated at the hotel, definitely for the hotel, but we don't know what Sedona, Arizona water we're on. I'm not sure if this property is on or city water, but we've been really enjoying just filling this up. Fresh water, I've been using it for my coffee, I've been using it for my drinking water, I've been using it for my cooking and my oatmeal water. I just don't like fluoride in my water, so I'm really appreciative to this. And it tastes very refreshing, crisp, and clean. Now again, what I've been doing is I've just been filling this up because I have this. I fill this up and then put it in my water bottle, but I will be testing the water bottle filter as well. All right, I got my filter inside of my water bottle. Perfect opportunity at a gas station, just in case you want to double filter it. Again, filling up your water bottle with the filter already inside. And it's actually tasting really, really good. I filled it up earlier at this surf location we just went to, this wave pool, and I'm gonna fill it up again in this gas station or on the golf course as well. Just filled it up, filters in there. Alrighty folks, let's wrap up this video. The filters, the pitcher, the water bottle filter did awesome. To be honest with you, I was super pumped about it. I won't travel without these filters anymore. The whole entire house, we had I think 6 people with us or 5 people. In the Airbnb, we all drank out of this. It quickly distributes, and something that my brother and his wife actually mentioned that they like better about this one than their Brita is when this is filtering down and there's still water in here, it has a separate pour spout, so this water doesn't go out with this water if it hasn't already filtered all the way down, which is really cool. So water bottle filter, loved it, especially out on the golf course. At the gas station, I actually came across on our way back home. We were driving back home. I think it was in Las Vegas, New Mexico. They actually have a place called Las Vegas, New Mexico. And there was public notices in the gas station saying that the water is like contaminated and you have to boil it. And I was like, these filters probably can take all that stuff out, but I didn't risk it, and I was like, nah, scratch it. Luckily, I already still had this in the van, filled up from the Airbnb, and just drank out of this water, which was awesome. But at the surf wave in Arizona, it's a stand-up like beach break surf wave, water stations, golf course, gas stations, this was awesome. And if you are wondering, it's not hard to sip through. It's obviously, it's going through a filter, but there's no like really hard sucking power that you have to do to get it up into your mouth. You get used to it and it's not bad at all. I really didn't mind it at all. So love the filters, super pumped. I got my hands on them. Once again, top link in the description box below this video will be these exact same filters where you guys can pick them up and read more about them. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech reviews, DIY house projects, and more. My name's Chris. Once again, top link in the description box below. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.